Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on and off the supports for each student. So here you have your Aware window, and up here you have all your classes, and then it says test available. So when you go to test available, these are the tests that are available. The Pasadena ISD World History Unit 2, 2020, 2021 shows you that I have 119 students, and this is a district other exam. In order to turn on the online testing, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit online test proctoring, and that turns on my test for online testing. I'm going to come up here where it says online test proctoring, and then you see here that all of my periods show up. So I'm going to go to period 2, and I'm going to go down to my Unit 2 exam, which is right here. So PISD World History Unit 2, 2020, 2021. And I'm going to click for it to show all of my students. And here you can see that my test is not turned in. It's unavailable. If I wanted to turn my test on, I'm just going to hit select all, and then I'm going to hit start all. And now you see that all the tests are available. If I hit select all and hit stop all, you'll see that they become unavailable. If I have a student that comes and needs to take the test at a certain time and the test has already been deactivated, then I can click individually on a student, and then I can come over here and hit start selected, and just that student will be turned on. If I want it stopped, I'm going to hit stopped all because that's the one it's checked, and it turns it off. Now I'm going to show you how to turn on supports for students. Right now, currently there are no supports for these students. So the text-to-speech, the Spanish, and the spelling assistance is turned off. If you go here to this pencil, the student supports will pop up, and you can click whichever ones you want on and then hit save. So the student is going to have text-to-speech, spelling assistance, and Spanish. If I wanted to turn one of them off, you just go back in, turn it off, and it just leaves those two. Now the text-to-speech actually reads the test for the student, so they can either read the question and all the answer choices, or read the question or any answer choice that they need help with. The Spanish will turn all of the tools for the test on, or they'll translate them all into Spanish. So all the tools at the top of the test will be in Spanish, and all the tools at the bottom of the test will be in Spanish, but the test itself stays in English or the original language that it was written in. It also translates it so when they go to listen to the text to speech, if that feature is turned on, it automatically translates the test into Spanish. So the test will stay English if that's the language that it was written in, but all the tools and the text to speech will be translated into Spanish. In the spelling assistance, if you have that one turned on, if you have an open-ended question where the kid has to type in their answer, then it's going to give them a spell check for that test question while they're answering it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.